Okay, number 9. Last week, Kelly ran 28 miles. This week, she ran 32 miles. What was the percent change in the number of miles she ran? So, last week, Kelly ran 28 miles. This week, she ran 32 miles. What was the percent change in the number of miles she ran? So, we're going to use that formula at the top of your paper. Alright, so remember it said percent change, which is the difference, the subtracted amount, divided by the original amount. So, we know last week, last week she ran 28 miles. This week, she ran 32 miles. So, you need to first find the difference, the subtracted amount. So, you're going to take 32 minus 28. We don't want a negative number here. So, 32 minus 28. Okay, so your pink number is the top number. Then you divide by 28. 28. Why? That was the first number. Last week happened first. 28. That is just a different way that you can write it. Maybe it will help make it more easy for you. So then you're going to get an answer. Now, again, the same as I think it was number 6 with percent change, your answer will have many numbers after the decimal. Okay, many numbers after the decimal. You will need to round that number. Round it. So, if you look at your answer choices, it has one number after each decimal. So it says answer 1 is 12.5%. Answer 2 is 14.3%. Answer 3 is 14.3% decrease. That means you need to look at your answer. Look at the first 4 numbers after your decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Move your decimal. Because it's percent, you move your decimal 2 places. Then look at this number. Okay. If this number is more than 5, meaning it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that means this number is going to change and go up one number. If that number is less than 5, then that means it's going to stay the same. Okay? So you need to round up your number, and then you will have your answer choice. Now, look, it says for answer 1, so answer 1, it says 12.5% increase, meaning the percent went up. The number of miles, how many miles she ran from last week compared to this week, went up. Answer 2 says 14.3% increase, meaning the number of miles she ran last week to now this week went up. Answer 3 says 14.3% decrease, meaning this week she ran less miles. Less miles. So look at this. Okay. That was first, and that was second. So does that number 32, does that go up? Is it more than 28? Or is 32 less than 28? 28. Is it a smaller number? So 32, is it more than 28 or less than 28? If 32 is more, you're going to pick increase. Okay? If 32 is less than 28, smaller, you're going to pick decrease. Okay? So 32 more, increase. If 32 is less, then you pick decrease. Okay?